Hello traders, we had another beautiful amazing trade on EURUSD this morning, and let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. If you look at the 4-hour chart, pretty straightforward. Price respected previously support level, so we were looking this breakout. If you look at the price branchly broken, and we have this pullback. So we were expecting this breakout this morning, which price nicely basically, or bias was long, by the way. So you can see after this breakout we were expecting a long trade here, which price nicely developed a very beautiful long trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market. And if you look at here, based on this morning, I did this analysis. As you can see here, price respected here, and we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful long trade here. So I did this analysis. You can see it just before London Open. You can see here, beautiful breakout. That's what we're expecting, a breakout. Price nicely broken, and after the breakout, price nicely retest. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and if you look at here, and then I explained to my traders time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis. But if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.